Hi, my dear brilliant diamonds. In this video, we are going to discuss 7th, 8th, ninth bits of problem 4. So, if you look at this 7th bit, a is equal to 0, and let us try to find the common difference. See, term 2 minus term 1, you are getting minus 4, term 3 minus term 2, you are getting minus 4 only. So, since we are getting same common difference, we can say that this given series is in arithmetic progression, and we got just now d value minus 4. If you substitute a is equals to 0, d is equal to minus 4 in this formula, you can calculate next 3 terms and their values are minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. And this is what they asked us to find. Now let us look at next bit. Now here first term is minus 1 by 2, and if you calculate the difference between consecutive terms, you will get 0 and 0. So this term is also having same common difference. We can say that this series is in arithmetic progression and d value is 0, a value is minus 1 by 2. When you substitute a and d values here in this formula, you will get term 5, term 6, term 7 values. Let us now solve the ninth bit. Here this is the given series, and let us try to find the difference between consecutive terms. Term 2 minus term 1 is 2, term 3 minus term 2 is 6. So 2 is not 6. That is the reason this particular series is not having common difference, and it cannot form arithmetic progression also because there is no common difference, and that is what we have written here. Because this series is not in arithmetic progression, it is not required to find the next 3 terms. Hope you got good clarity whatever we have discussed in this video, and try to solve the next problems. So let us meet in the next video. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.